Now, how do we come in to help you guys as a fintech company? Now, my company is called Spiking. Fintech means financial technology. We try to solve problems found in the stock market. So over here, what we do is this. We love to build AIs. It stands for artificial intelligence, to understand all these transactions made by sophisticated investor. Is it going to lead to a major movement of the stock price going up? That's number one. Number two, we also go out there to study behavioral finance. Meaning to say, today we track over 300,000 news sources. Why do we do that? To connect the dots, to understand when they buy, it's related to what clues left out in the market. Now, when you combine these two together, it's very powerful stuff. So for Rossley, this particular case, we combine AI plus news, and straight away, we know there's a red flag. Better don't touch. Something is wrong here. And in fact, if you trace back to Ng Sian Miang as an investor, he has never played big time in the stock market. This guy is not a seasoned player. I call him a virgin player. Right? And he got greedy. Because in corporate world Singapore, I've never seen a chairman buy and sell shares within 1 month. Never seen before. Something is wrong here. Alright? So with that, timing is key. But I'm going to give you an opposite example of another chairman. And this chairman is worthwhile for you to follow. Let's take a look. On 16th of March 2017, this year only, Agilent Technologies, which is a very large company in the United States, they appointed our very own Singaporean Koh Boon Hui to be the chairman. And if you take out the app, you look at his trading activities. Let's check this out. Starting from 16th of March, I'm going to come here, look for Koh Boon Hui. So it's up here. We're going to look for 16th of March, alright? 16th of March, somewhere around here. 17th of March. He went in, alright? He reduced a little bit, he sell a little bit, buy a little bit more, but the commitment is there. 1 day after his appointment as chairman, he put his money down. And a lot of us miss this particular trade. We are blindsided. We are so distracted with other things that's happening in SGX, but we are not looking out there, and we miss this golden opportunity. What does that mean? If you follow Mr. Koh to go in to buy at $53.05, today you are already sitting on 24% unrealized profit. Are you with me? Say yes. Yes. And we put the unrealized profit there so that I, the lazy guy, don't have to calculate. You understand or not? We put all this information there is to help myself first, because I'm playing the market very actively and I know what investors want, so that you can straight away look green or red. You understand, tong, okay, got it. You will be sitting on 24% unrealized profit. 9, 8, now it's September, 9 minus 3, 6 months return. Good or bad? Hello? Very good, right? And it's very slow, steady, no rush at all. Now, coming back to this point, this is really classic. When the chairman of a board of a public company put money down, it shows his commitment. And this is really important. And for me, just following Mr. Koh, you know, wow, last year is really a beautiful year. Last year, he's a chairman of the board of InnoValues. How many of you heard of this company, InnoValues? It got acquired at 343 million. We are part of that acquisition. And we make money. Then over here, you can see also all his other transactions, right? Display in sequential order. Like recently, he went crazy. He bought $22 million worth of shares of this company called Sunnydeal. Now that is considered a very big transaction, all right? $22 million down. Over here, I'm going to slow down a little bit to help you understand the concept, what is called doubling down on investment, all right? Go to the very top. Make sure you follow with me. Once you miss this, you can't catch already, right? Click on number 9. Boom! We show you his entire portfolio. Now his investment is spread over 3 countries, United States, Singapore and Hong Kong. United States portfolio value 4.8 million, one stock, Agilent, very good, very committed chairman. Singapore portfolio 94 million, very good. Frasers, Hub Steel, InnoValue already delisted because it got bought out. Kim Heng, Sunnydale, Wong Fong, Hong Kong 112 million. Today with our technology, we understand how the big players, sophisticated investors, put money across the world. And let me tell you, if there's any problem in any countries out there, who will move the money out first? Say big players. They will move the money out first. You won't catch it on news. You won't catch it on TV. You catch it on the money trail. Money trail comes first. Alright? So, he put in 22 million. I'm going to slow down right now. Take out a pen and paper. Are you ready? Say yes. Yes. Sunnydale portfolio is $59 million. Step 1. I'm going to round up 59 to 60 million for easy calculation's sake, right? Meaning to say, before he put in 22 million, 60 minus 22, what's the answer? Hello? Now, some of you like giving different numbers. Better pick out a calculator and convince yourself, right? 60 minus 22, come on. How much? How much? 38 million, huh? Confirm, you're very convinced. No, you must convince yourself, no, not for me, no, for your own sake. 60 minus 22, what's the answer you get on a calculator? 38, confirm, huh? Okay. So, what should we do to understand the meaning of 38 million? Check this out. Using Spiking app, I'm going to click back, see his beautiful face first. We're going to understand every single transaction he made in the past into this company called Sunnydale. Every single one. I just scroll down. Wow, he buy many times, you know. Averagely, he's sitting on 100% profit return. Meaning to say, if I want to estimate the cost of his investment into Sunnydale, I'll take 38 divided by what? By 2, because it's 100% unrealized profit. So can you please press on the calculator, 38 divided by 2, what's the answer? 90 million. So we estimate step 1, in the past, he put 19 million, he believed in the company, invested 90 million into Sunnydale. Step 2, that 90 million he could have sold to make 100% profit, to make another 90 million and buy himself a good class bungalow. He never do that. Step 3, instead of him selling, he going to put in 22 million down some more. Have you seen someone crazy like that? Put down 19, don't want to sell, put down another 22. That's called doubling down. Ladies and gentlemen, how do you feel about this company right now? Wow, no reaction. Hello? You're all too hungry, is it? Stock price right now trading at 1.98. Using artificial intelligence, using behavioral finance, we connect the dots. I own the stock at 1.02. Close to about 100% unrealized profit. Simply following him. Slow down, take a step back. Ask yourself, today, why are you following all the Tom, Dick, Harry out there in forums, Facebook group, WhatsApp group? Hello? These guys are not proven. You myself focus your attention on following proven entrepreneurs who dedicated their whole life building great public listed companies, and they have a reputable track record. You follow him, you will, like me, sitting close to 100% unrealized profit return. Just like that. If you go to the app today, and you know that what we do as a fintech company is we want to push to make sure our app is available to everyone across the world, especially those who play in the stock market. I don't want to surprise you guys because you are core fans. You are the one who give us the valuable feedback. But ahead of the price jump, you can lock down the price for the next 12 months. All right, so that is something I want to tell you as a clue, as a hint. There's a price jump coming up, but we're going to justify the price jump with even more powerful features. Exactly what I share with you tonight, that is, we're going to show you thematic investing ideas, combining AI with news catalysts to show you which stocks you should be looking at every day. And that's very powerful stuff. We are releasing a new version from October onwards. And that will come with a price jump. And in fact, thank you to all of your support in recent weeks. You know, Spiking app shot up to the top grossing app on the App Store. And that is a very, very difficult ranking to achieve. We hit the #1 spot. Big thanks to all of you here. So I want to just share this with you. If you want to lock down the price for the next 12 months, please buy ahead before we announce the next release, all right? What's happening in the Pro account is my phone is the latest version, which you don't have, so don't panic. Because I'm doing testing of the product every day, right? So one of the things that's most powerful right now in the world of AI today is called thematic investing. That means we look for certain themes, and behind the theme, that means thematic investing, the top layer is called thematic investing with different themes, right? But the inner layer, the back-end engine powering the themes is this. It's always a hybrid of, number one, AI, number two, news catalyst, okay? So can you see over here, we're going to launch this in October called the $1 million trade. So that we want to calculate the pain factor. If the guy put a lot of money down and we compare to his net worth value, which I'm going to show you in the next example, and the pain is very high, that is the one that you are going for it. Next is top gainers. Top gainers means if you see a certain stock, how come for 3 to 5 consecutive days it just keep chasing an all-time high? And when we connect the dots at the news catalyst and AI level, we saw certain patterns. We also put out the stocks right under here, right? You see Explore over here. So this is Singapore stock market as of the closing. And one of the most valuable information is this. You can see he just bought at 0.437, and the Oxley boys keep hammering United Engineers from 2628 or 2688 right now become 2.72. But do you know that this 2.72 requires computational power on our machine? It's eating up a lot of our machine. We are running on cloud services, so that's a little bit on the technical side. Our expenses just shot up because right now we got more and more data covering more and more markets. So that was what I'm trying to explain to you. In October, when we do the next version launch, what's going to happen is this. This part here will still show you who is buying what shares of which company, but to calculate the average price, which requires computational power, this product will become a premium product, premium data. That's why I kind of give you hint tonight. You can lock down the price of Pro, because come October the price will jump, because right now we are spending so much on our server costs. All right, so I hope you guys can support us as a fintech startup. In fact, we were awarded IBM Global Entrepreneur Program. They give us 120,000 US dollars. We're going to spend finish it. And that's just running on cloud. So to you guys, it's like so simple. Just scroll up, scroll down. But behind the scene, you do not know the pain that we go through, all right? We are burning so much cash, you know, all right? So we really need your support. And we want the product to be really affordable to you guys, because look at our pricing is like, oh my God, it's only like $12 a month only. You buy with any local brokerage house, you're paying $20 to $25 trade. And we only like $12 per month, all right? So if you cannot afford this money, I don't know how to help you because I need to help myself a startup first. Say yes. All right. So I hope you understand, not that we want to commercialize this thing or what, but that is a survival of the fittest. Sidetrack. This year, we were awarded by Singapore Business Review as one of the 20 hottest startups to watch in Singapore. 20 hottest startups. Spiking is one of them. And the sad truth is this. The award announcement came out in March. Today, of the 20, 5 of them already shut down. They raised more money than us. They launched their product earlier than us, but they already closed shop already. This is the reality of this place here called Launchpad. There are many, many startups here. In fact, famous companies will be like Carousel, that burning millions of dollars every month. Many, many great startups around here, but the survival rate is very low, right? And we are very fortunate. We are one of the few startups. We are supported by National Research Foundation that's under Prime Minister's office. We also got a gold medal last year by Singapore Infocom Technology for most innovative startup, and that's the kind of validation that's given to our product. So this product is really here to help you, but we also need you to give us your little support. Please say yes. Yeah. Thank you very much.